Hello everyone. ASICS token started on a decentralized exchange DEX under BEP20 Binance Smart Chain on January 2022. We have listed the ASICS tokens on global DEX through PancakeSwap platform and followed up to be registered in Indonesia Crypto Exchange. ASICS token is established under PT Meta Victoria, an Indonesia company that focuses on creating an ecosystem for financial transactions through technology. ASICS token is a crypto asset which is considered as an investment. It is intended to invite crypto asset investors to be part of our projects through P2E games, NFT market, and the future of ASICS in metaverse. Furthermore, this ASICS project is created by one of the most well-known Indonesia artist family, Anang Hermansyah Ashanti Ayurul Arsia, with total of 70 million followers on Instagram and 6 million subscribers on YouTube. The token OMIC is designed to create public ownership in the majority and decentralized. This could be seen at the maximum purchase 0.5 BNB rate when private sale and pre-sale. Besides, ASICS token is intended to create a healthy investment ecosystem through a unique method of selling the token supply and the liquidity. Private sale 10% from the supply will be distributed gradually, 40% when launching, 30% after a month, and 30% at the second month. Maximum contribution is 0.5 BNB. Public pre-sale 20% from the supply also will be distributed gradually, 40% when launching, 30% after a month, and 30% at the second month. Maximum contribution is 0.5 BNB. Liquidity total liquidity 100%. Public pre-sale is 500 BNB worth. Vesting private and public pre-sale vesting mechanism 40% at launching, 30% at the first month, 30% at the second month after launching. ASICS token has 3 projects in progress. The projects include New Centara Land Metaverse, Conclac P2E game, NFT marketplace.